Sparkling clean. The why and how of cooktop care. A clean cooktop is important. It looks nice. It also cooks better. Food might stick on a dirty cooktop. Cleaning a glass cooktop is easy. You need the right tools and methods, and we're here to show you how. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Gentle giants. Scrubbing without the scratches. First, let's talk about sponges. Use a non-scratch scrub sponge. These sponges clean well. They won't scratch the glass. Wet the sponge with warm water. Add a drop of dish soap. Gently rub the sponge on the cooktop. Rinse the sponge and wipe away the soap. The razor's edge. Removing stubborn grime safely. For those stubborn food bits that just won't budge, a razor scraper is your best friend. Hold the scraper at a 45-degree angle to ensure you get the best leverage without damaging the surface. Gently push the scraper forward, applying steady but gentle pressure. Remember, don't press too hard. Excessive force can scratch the glass, making it look worse than before. After you've scraped off the grime, it's time to clean up. Wipe the cooktop with a damp sponge to remove any remaining particles. This step is crucial as it removes any leftover residue that could burn the next time you use the cooktop. Now, your cooktop is sparkling clean and ready for the next step in your cooking adventure. Enjoy a spotless surface every time you cook. For degreasing dilemmas, dish soap to the rescue. Grease happens. Whether it's from cooking a delicious meal or an accidental spill, greasy stains can be a real headache. But don't worry, dish soap can handle it. This common household item is more powerful than you might think. Put a few drops of dish soap on the cooktop. Just a small amount can go a long way in breaking down those tough grease stains. Use your non-scratch sponge and work the soap into a lather. The gentle abrasiveness of the sponge, combined with the soap, will lift the grease right off. Rinse the sponge well and wipe away the soap. Make sure to get all the suds off to avoid any residue. Your cooktop is almost sparkling clean. For an extra shine, you can polish it with a dry cloth. Dish soap isn't just for dishes, it's your secret weapon for a spotless kitchen. For a final shine, use a mild abrasive cleanser. These cleansers are specially formulated to tackle tough stains and grime without scratching the surface of your cooktop. These cleansers remove any remaining dirt and also polish the cooktop. Apply the cleanser evenly across the surface, ensuring that you cover all areas, especially those with stubborn stains. Your cooktop will look brand new. The reflective shine will not only enhance the appearance of your kitchen, but also make it easier to spot any future spills or messes. Put a small amount of cleanser on the cooktop, then use a microfiber cloth to buff the cleanser. Microfiber cloths are ideal because they are gentle on the surface and effective at picking up residue. Wipe away the cleanser with a clean cloth. Make sure to remove all traces of the cleanser to prevent any streaks or residue from being left behind. Enjoy your sparkling clean cooktop. With just a little effort and the right products, you can maintain a pristine cooking surface that will make your kitchen shine. Remember, always let the cooktop cool completely before cleaning. Never use harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbers. With proper care, your glass cooktop will provide years of delicious meals. Leave us a comment below telling us about your favorite way to clean your glass cooktop. Thanks for dropping in today, and we'll see you in the next episode.